Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with Authorize.net. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. So if you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com right here. And after that, you're going to go and be greeted by this home page. From here at the left side of the screen, we can access the plugin section where we can go and take a look at all the plugins we have used to set up our WooCommerce store and all the WooCommerce plugins. So let's go and take a look at how to go and set up Authorize.net for our WordPress website. So here on the official GoDaddy website, we have an article on how to set up Authorize.net for WordPress. So what we're going to do is sign into our Authorize.net account, and then under the accounts tab, once you have signed in, you're going to go refer to the security settings and click on the API credentialing keys. So copy your API login ID, this is what you're going to be using, and select the new transaction key option and click submit. So you're going to copy that transaction key, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed to the setup and configuration. So we're going to sign into WordPress and go to WooCommerce and click on extensions. So go to the official WooCommerce website at WooCommerce.com, open up the extensions marketplace at the top of the screen and search for GoDaddy. By finding the GoDaddy extension we can use, from there you can go ahead and get started finding all the related extensions as you can see in the article right here, and you're going to go ahead and see the included extensions. You're going to scroll to Authorize.net and click install, and then you're going to go and be able to connect using your API key, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.